Guys, this is Momentum, your host. And first of all, welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Hope you are all doing good. If you are new, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification when we upload a new video. As you can see, this is the chart of natural gas and today is 18 May. And this is the chart that we shared on our TradingView channel on 17 May on Friday. So we gave a buying signal and our target was 2.65 and let's see what happened to that structure. Boom. As you can see, our target hit it. Market was moving in this structure. So let's remove this so we can talk about the next movement. So if you want to join our Telegram channel or if you want to get net gas free signals, you can join our Telegram channel or you can message me or you can contact with us on our Telegram channel. As you can see, this is the chart of net gas and this is NYMEX structure. So if we go to daily candle, then first of all, market was coming furiously to fill this gap. So this gap was generated from the structure and market already filled this. So now we will wait for that structure. And this gap is present is at almost 2.9. So we can set a trend line on 2.89. So we will remember that this line is a gap line. So this is the daily chart frame, daily candles of natural gas. And as you can see, if we draw a trend line from above structure like that, so trend line is also going to meet on that horizontal line that is present here, which means that market, the natural gas will continue its bullish momentum till that 2.89 structure. So this was all about natural gas according to daily chart. And as you know, on weekend we study in detail on different pairs. So let's check out the next movement of natural gas. So this was the structure that is followed by the natural gas. If you can see, market was almost moving in that pair of trend lines. So today or maybe tomorrow, tomorrow on Friday, today is Saturday. So market break its structure as you can see. But this structure is not valid according to H1 candle because only one market is following here and no other candle test even this trend line. So this structure is not valid according to H1 candle. I draw this to show some knowledge to you. So let's move to H4, our favorite structure, so we can study natural gas. So here we can get a structure, best structure according to natural gas, H4. This is a pair of trend lines, one trend line, and this is the second trend line. As you can see, yes, as you can see, market was moving in that structure. So we gave a buying signal as I showed you in the starting of the video. Sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, hold, buy, sell. So there are two possibilities for here for natural gas. As you can see, yes, as you can see the structure, the very strong pair of trend line also broken by the market of natural gas and it gave a closing almost two candles above the trend line. So which means we are in the bullish momentum, we are in the bullish zone of natural gas as you can see according to the structures. So market retested this trend line, it retested again, it tested again its 50% zone. As you can see, this zone was very strong. So market break this, test this trend line, retrace 50%, and after that it make a rapid movement followed by the three soldier body candles, three soldier candles as you can see. So when three soldiers body candles form, the next candle will be again bullish or bearish. For example, as you can see again, we have 3 soldier candles, very next candle bullish. We have 3 soldier bearish candle, very next candle bearish. So always enter your trade with specific knowledge and some background, so you can never hit a stop loss. So if we draw a again 50% retracement area of natural gas, so we will get this momentum and this area 50% retracement area. So the market can enter in this trend line again, and after retest 50% here, then it will again go up and ultimately it will fill its gap that is present on this area. So as you can see, this area is very important. So market will follow its bullish momentum and bullish zone. So but remember one thing, that don't enter from here. If one more candle go up, just wait for the market to retest. If one candle go up, the next candle will retest. If market will retest here, then you can make a zone here and you can enter your trade towards upside by setting your stop loss just below the line. Or if somehow market enter in the bearish zone, then it will again retest this support area, and after retesting this, it will again go up to fill its gap. So this gap is very important and market have to fill this. Some sellers are still trapped. If they are trapped, we can help them. Just contact us on our Telegram channel, so we can give best services and best signals. So if I remove this area and if we enter the daily chart pattern once again, then I will show you one more thing, that this was the structure followed by the support of market here, but market have broken down this, and the very next resistance we have is on that point 2.8, the gap area. Try to get some information from these lines, and please listen carefully. Once market enter this structure, then it will move a long time in this structure. Okay, one time market broke this, but it retest this area. Again it retest this area, it's a broke down, then again it enter this area and retest this area. Means this area is very important. Yes, if market somehow break this structure and go upside, don't hyper, just wait for the market to retest here. If market after the breakout retest here, then you can take a long term buying entry by setting your stop loss, and the momentum will be in the bullish state. But if somehow market go up, retest this area, then you can take sell entries and your stop loss will be just above the red zone, and then market will move along in this structure. So this was all about natural gas. If you have any confusion, you can ask me on my Telegram channel, or you can message me on also my Telegram channel. So for now, we will see that a new structure, for example, this is the new structure. As you can see, according to daily chart, once market break the structure like that, it very next candle retest this area, hold here, which means that market have successfully broken down the structure and it is preparing itself for a bullish entry. As we can say that you can take a buying entry just setting your stop loss here. So if somehow market on Monday or maybe on Tuesday reverse back to test this trend line, then again you can take a buying entry towards 2.95, just setting your stop loss below the zone. So this was all about natural gas. Hope this video was very informative for you. Let's move to gold so we can analyze it deeply. Thank you very much. So this is a chart of gold, and let's move to H1 structure or H4 structure that we shared on our last video. So this was the last structure that we shared in our Telegram as well as on our YouTube channel, and market was here. We told you that market has just retested its all-time high trend line. It will read, as we have written in here, 50% retracement area. Market retest 50%, break this trend line, hit our target 1, and now it is going to hit our target 2. So from these signals you can test our accuracy level. We are providing a great service. So let's remove this and talk about next structure. First of all, move to monthly chart. Yes, monthly chart. This is the monthly chart and I want to show you something. Let's start from that structure. Okay. So these are three soldier body structure. When these green or red candles form, for example, three red candles, very next candle will be red again, and here three green candles, and very next candle green, almost double than their parent structure. Okay, here three red candles and very next fourth candle bearish candle. This is the second structure, also known as soldier body structure. If after three candles the very next candle retest till the last point of the green candle, then again we will see a long bullish candle. Okay, again here let me show you, let me give you one more example. Three soldier pattern candles, two retest very next candle big bullish candle. And now as you can see, according to the monthly structure, oh yes, monthly, this is the monthly structure. According to the monthly structure, market is making again three bullish, three soldier body candles, which means the fourth candle will be a big bullish candle, which may almost test 2600 area. I am talking with facts and figures, not remember one thing, forex is not, something else, is not gambling. This is the proper knowledge, and I am just trying to give you some knowledge according to my videos, in my videos to give. So we will expect a very big next candle, a green candle. Let me give you some example. As you can see, these are the three soldier bodies candles, and the next candle retest here, and we have witnessed a again bullish candle, green candle. Okay, so as you can see, very three next candle retest, and fourth candle big bullish, and same structures. So means if we have a three soldier bodies, next candle will hold, and fifth candle, sixth or maybe seventh candle will be a long bullish. Here we have the similar structure in the structure of gold according to monthly chart. This is not a 1 hour candle, 2 hour candle, 4 hour, 8 hour, 12 hour, not even daily, not even weekly candle. This is the structure of monthly candle. We will see at least 50% buying in the gold. For example, gold pump from 2000 till 2400, which is a target of 4400 points. So which means if we divided 400 into 2, which means 50% retracement, then we will get 200 points, which means 24002 to 2600. We will see a great rise in the gold till 2600. So this was all about monthly candle. As you know, the target in the monthly candle is usually big. So let's move to weekly chart and smaller chart so we can give you more knowledge. So we are talking about three soldier bodies. Green chart, green, three soldier bodies. Next two candle retest, again big buying. Again here, three soldier bodies, very next candle buy. Here market failed to form a three soldier bodies, so we are not going to see any decline or any selling in the gold. So this is the weekly chart, and let me show you one thing. Let me find the, yes, this was the last area 2392 market closed, which means if this candle, the present weekly candle go up, try to remember thing, it goes up but gives a shadow like that. We have a shadow in the weekly chart and it close below the area of 2393, then we will can witness a long selling in the gold, but this didn't happen, which means we are looking for more buying structure. And very next candle, if we will get a green candle, then you know what will happen next. The bullish momentum will give, this will form a soldier bodies, and the very next candle will be in the above direction. So okay, so let's move to daily chart so we can analyze it in the small chart structure. Try to remember one thing. First of all, if we draw a structure in the gold, then we will get that market was moving in that structure. Similarly, it broke that structure and also gave closing above the structure. And try to remember one more thing. The last daily close was this level 2391. No daily candle gave closing above this structure, and now we have a daily closing of gold above the structure, which means the gold in the next week will follow its bullish momentum. Why? Because this is the perfect example. We have perfect example in gold. Market gave closing above the structure. As you know, no candle closed above the structure, just one candle, this candle closed above the structure. Now market can retest till this point 2393 or maybe 2404, then it will continue its buying momentum. And let's move to H4 chart so we can check more smaller things. According to the H4 chart, this was the structure that I made in the previous video and told you that market is following this structure, okay? But now the trend has changed. Market retest this area, retest 50% till that support level, pumped, break this area, retest this trend line very nicely and goes up. Just we have a one more point of 24330. If market somehow retest this area, test this area and fall, then gold will continue its bearish momentum. If not, then be ready for 2600. The market will go above and above. So we have 2-3 areas. This was the structure of previous month, and let's draw the new structure. Let me draw. So we have this trend line structure according to the gold. If market somehow break that structure, or if market somehow retest from that structure, then we will witness 50% retracement area like that. The ultimate trend is buying, don't forget that. This is the 50% retracement area. After retracing 50%, market will hold here little, like it did in the past, like it did in the past, like it did in the past, and like it did in the past. Again, 6 examples. Then it will again retest here like that, like that, like that, like that, and like that. If it will retest here, just open the buying entry blindly, and first target will be the higher of the trend line 2450, and then it will continue its buying pressure. So this was all about gold H4. Let's study the H1, the last analysis, so we can get more information. Let me remember you one thing. This is the formation of cup structure, and this again a formation of cup structure. Now gold will make a handle here, so it will go up and below, up and below. So according to the H1 candle, we have the last point here for the retracement of gold. As you can see, if market somehow break that structure in the upward direction, then it will retest here. For example, if it will break this, then it will come back to retest this area so nicely, like here as I showed you one example. Then it will go up as the area, and the target of my gold is 2600. So this was all about gold. If you have any confusion, you can ask me or you can contact me on our Telegram channel. Hope this video was very informative for you. If you have any question, just ask me and contact me, so we can remove your sadness or the other things. I know the sellers are trapped. They will try to counter from that position, counter from that position, counter from that position, but not every time counter is perfect entry. So wait for this structure. If somehow market break this, then be ready for 2600. Hope this video was very informational and helpful for you. If you have any confusion, don't shy to contact us. Don't forget to subscribe our Telegram channel as well as our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.
Forex Planet.